Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the SIM number on your Android phone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. The first thing you're going to do is open up the Settings app. So if you haven't already, just swipe up and find that Settings app. There are two different places to be able to find that SIM number or SIM information. The first one is within Connections. Now keep in mind your SIM is what connects you and your Android phone to your mobile network, AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, whatever you have. Let's tap on SIM Manager here, and here is my eSIM. So if I open it up, you can see profile name, the service provider, and ICCID number. But this doesn't give you all of the information. It doesn't give you the IMEI, as well as the PIN number or the phone number. To be able to find out a bit more information about your SIM, let's go back to the very beginning of your settings. Now that we're at the very beginning of your settings, all we need to do is go to the About Phone section. So let's scroll down to the bottom, and there you can see is About Phone. Just tap on it. And now you can see eSIM1. It shows me my phone number associated with that eSIM, the network, in this case Dark Star, and then it also shows me the IMEI1 and IMEI2 information. I can also scroll down and get to status information, and I can find out more information about my SIM card status. You'll be able to see all sorts of information, the signal strength, the mobile network, roaming, the ICCID. It will show you a bunch of information about that SIM card status directly on your Android phone. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.